It's been over 20 years since Americover created ASFR. ASFR minimizes damage caused by ESD. An example of ESD is when you get shocked touching a metal doorknob. ESD can cause serious damage. ASFR is designed to do three things: suppress the initial charges, prevent the buildup of static electricity, and inhibit or delay the spread of a fire. What is ASFR used for? Temporary enclosures, COVID barriers, dust containment, equipment protection, covering sensitive shipments, temporary wall to room dividers, surface protection, and paint and spray booth lining. ASFR is ideal anywhere a flame retardant sheeting is required. So who uses ASFR? Commercial contractors, hospital and healthcare facilities, packing and shipping companies, Verizon and AT&T contractors, telecommunication companies, data centers, semiconductor and PCB manufacturers. Here are the ASFR options offered by Americover. ASFR is a 6mm polyethylene film that's stocked in 12 by 100 and 20 by 100. It passes both the NFPA 701 and UL 214 fire tests. ASFR is also available in a clean room version. Toughscrim ASFR is a string reinforced version. It passes the NFPA 701, ASTM E84, and UBC 42-1 fire tests, as well as the NFPA 99 for static decay. This gives it a Class 1, Class A flame spread rating. As a trusted partner, America is the smart choice for all your poly sheeting needs. Call today to speak with a trusted professional.